Start us off. We are going to Guinea, Conakry, where 7 years ago in Guinea's capital, more than 150 died and some 100 women raped and brutally handled as government security troops attacked demonstrators in a peaceful protest. Now, investigation was opened in 2010, and the Human Rights Watch reports that the process has made major progress despite political, financial, and logistical obstacles. According to them, current and former high-level officials like Moussa Dadis Camara, who was once a leader of the political party at that time, has already been charged.
And 6 national and international NGOs, including the International Federal for Human Rights Watch, the Guinean Defense of Rights of Man and Citizen, the Association of Victims, Relatives and Friends of the 28th September tragedy, lamented that justice has still not been served. The investigation, carried out by a number of Guinean and co-investigative judges, was opened in February 2010 but has still not been closed. Former and current senior officials were charged, and you have just mentioned Moussa Dadis Camara, former president of the Republic of Guinea's National Council for Democracy and Development, and also not forgetting his deputy, Mamadouba Toto Camara. More than 400 victims and members of their families were grilled by the judges, who also heard from the witnesses, including those within the security services. We now speak to Moussa Diallo, president of the Association of Victims, Parents and Friends of the 28th of September. 7 years after the massacre at the Conakry Stadium, do you think it will be possible for the perpetrators to be held liable for their actions?
Les victimes souffrent beaucoup, les victimes souffrent, mais on est obligé de suivre la procédure judiciaire.
The victims suffer a lot. We are obliged to follow the legal process because we want to win. We will not be discouraged by the period of time because justice is really not fast. But we wish that this trial be held now because we recorded many deaths since the events of the 28th of September following the massacres. There have been many deaths among the victims. There are many deaths among the victims. We would really like people to follow the trial, as not everyone falls without seeing this long-awaited result. Here, I tell you that the victims are dead, tired, but there is still hope in their eyes. That's why we still have courage. Moussa Diallo, where are we with the trial, and what are some of the reasons why the trial has not started?
Bon, là, je peux dire qu'au niveau des juges et des avocats, ça avance à petits pas.
At the level of the judges and lawyers, there's little progress that has been made because there are hearings that are ongoing currently. We have 400 victims who have already testified. There have been 15 charges, 15 people who have already been charged, and we're still awaiting the results, so it's not yet over. There are others that have not yet been heard. When I speak of others, I mean people like Lieutenant Sekuba, who has not testified. There is Tumba, who has also not been heard. We'll have to put it at all in order before ending the case. I think in 2017 we will start the trial.
That was Moussa Diallo talking to us from Conakry. She's the president of the Association of Victim Parents and Friends of September 28th. That was in 2009 when more than 150 people were attacked by government troops.